everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here on the beautiful Norwegian Getaway. It's lunchtime. I'm on the pool deck right now, but I'm going to head down to deck 6 to check out Shanghai Noodle Bar. Okay, so my bad. I said Shanghai Noodle Bar was on level 6 or deck 6. It's actually on deck 7. And I promised myself this entire cruise I was not going to use the elevators. There's 18 decks. I'm doing a lot of stair climbing this trip. I vowed to only use the elevators during the embarkation and debarkation of the ship when I have my luggage. So, a lot of stairs this trip. Anyway, we're on the right deck now, deck 7.
So what they do is they hand you like a scratch pad and you just check off what you want. And for an appetizer, I ordered the pork pot stickers. You could have them steamed or fried. I, of course, ordered them fried because, well, you know me. And they also had something called beef chow fun. And I'm on a cruise, so I figured, let me order something fun, which is basically beef lo mein.
The waiter was shocked I only ordered one appetizer and one entree. Should have I ordered more? I don't know. We'll find out. I switched to my regular glasses. I don't think I've switched from sunglasses to regular glasses as many times a day as I have on this cruise. Sometimes I forget I'm wearing sunglasses and I walk around the inside and everything seems so dark, and then I realize I'm wearing them.
When I handed the paper back to the waiter, he looked at me and said, "That's it?" And I got that a lot on the cruise ship. They expect you to order so much food, and basically I order what I can eat. But everyone else, they just go crazy and they'll order 3 appetizers and 2 entrees and things like that. I order what I want, and if I'm hungry at the end, I'll order something extra. But I got that a lot on the ship. That's all you want?
Those are very hot to the touch, so I'm going to let them cool off a little bit. Hot. Very good. This is Captain Morgan. He shows up in all cruise-related videos here on the New York channel. He shows up as a quick flash in the background, including this video. Be the first to spot him and leave a comment below with the timestamp where you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Good luck. So the Asian food here is prepped. It's pretty simple. There's only 6 woks, and all the fresh ingredients are right in front of them. Everything's cooked to order. Okay, so there's some egg on top, but I could easily pick that off. It's not mixed in, it's just on top.
good.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. So guys, lunch at the Shanghai Noodle Bar was really good. Actually, I've only been here 2 days, but that's been my favorite meal so far. The fried wontons were delicious with that, I think they called it dark brown soy sauce. And the, I think it was called beef fun chow or something like that. I have to look it up. I'll leave something in the description below. But everything was just very tasty, very fresh. Obviously, it's made right in front of you. Great atmosphere, and I really did enjoy that lunch. So I promised myself not to visit the same place twice as far as eating, other than perhaps a buffet for a snack or something. But I just might go there before this cruise is over. Anyway, let me know what you thought of what I was eating. Leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.